In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to completely customize your Steam profile. Before getting started, you're going to want to make sure that your profile is at least level 10 so that you gain the ability to set a showcase on your profile. One of the easiest ways to do this is to go to your username here. Then Badges. Scroll down until you find the Steam Community badge and complete as many of these challenges as you can to level up this badge. And your profile, once you've done that, go to Store Point, Shop, then Seasonal Badge. You can purchase per seasonal badge levels with Steam points, and this will level you up pretty quickly. Once you've reached level 10, we can move on to customizing your profile. This picture helps you decide your background, so we don't have to worry about the background quite yet. My favorite website to look for artwork is DeviantArt.com. To make the art easier to find, we're just going to Google search Free Steam Artwork DeviantArt. There's tons of profiles and creators, so do some looking around and find artwork you like. Some are free, and some you're going to have to pay for. Once you find some artwork you like, scroll down to the Download section. Click the link and Free Steam Artwork DeviantArt. There's tons of profiles and creators, so do some looking around and find artwork you like. Some are free, and some you're going to have to pay for. Once you find some artwork you like, scroll down to the Download section. Click the link and follow to the actual download. Once you have the artwork downloaded, come back to the DeviantArt page where your art is. This is where you can find a link to the background that matches your art. Make sure you download the background as well. The prices on each background will vary. Once you have your art and background downloaded, next, go to this link in your favorite browser. I'll paste it in the description. This link brings you to the Steam upload page. Give your artwork a title. I like to do something like a period, in case the title is shown on my Steam profile. Click Choose File and select the artwork you downloaded from DeviantArt. Once you upload your file, right-click anywhere on this page and choose Inspect. Then, click the Console tab. In here, you'll paste this line of code. I'll also have in the description. Hit Enter. Then, you can certify that you created the artwork with this checkbox here. Click Save and Continue. Now, go back to the Steam application. Click Edit Profile, then Profile Background. Choose the background that goes with the art you downloaded, then Save. Next, we'll go to Featured, Showcase. Click the drop-down and select Artwork Showcase. Click the blue pencil and choose your saved art. If your art looks like a little black line, then you did it. All set. Now your profile should look way better than before. Let me know if you run into any problems or have any questions. Thanks for watching.